All right, today I have a Toyota Tacoma, and I'm going to show you how to turn on the cargo light, which is in the back, as well as turn off the cargo light. All right, I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm going to show you how it turns on with just the door, and I'm also going to show you how to keep it on even with the door is closed. All right, but before I get started, if you found my video helpful, can you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm in the Toyota Tacoma, right behind the steering wheel. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look down here. All right, but before I do that, or actually I'll just show you now. It is currently in the off position. So when it is in the off position, you'll see that the cargo light is not on. But we want to turn it on. So what I'm going to do is you have an option. You can actually turn it on the door feature. So when the door is open, you can see that the cargo light is on. Now, if I shut the door, you'll see that the cargo light, it will eventually go off in a few seconds. Ain't nobody got time for that. I want to show you how to operate it completely. So that's the door. It'll eventually turn off. Now, to turn it on to where it will stay on regardless if the door is open or not, just simply go over here, put it in the on position, shut the door, and it will stay on all night. Unless you go back in here, okay, right here, and then turn it off, or on the door front light right there, off or either in the center. All right, so that is how you turn on and off the cargo light in a Toyota Tacoma. Thanks a lot for watching.